Suddenly CapCut getting crazy from the last few days. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use at least 80% of CapCut features. Please watch this video carefully to understand the logic behind the CapCut. If CapCut not available in your country, then try to connect to the VPN. I suggest you to connect US, UK, Vietnamese or any available countries proxies. And if not available in your country, then you don't need any VPN. Now I'm trying to use CapCut stickers feature. Here you can see no internet connection. I tried to refresh it and tried to clear the app from the recents and again tried to open it and still no use. Actually somehow I managed to fix security pop-up and from this version which you got redirected to this video, you don't need any login stuff to use this application. You can use normally all the effects will work. It is not working properly, maybe checking some VPN proxies or something maybe. So for that I'm using a workaround to run this app safely. Search for multi-app space or any app cloner which is stable for you. For me, multi-app space is more stable to run this CapCut application without any crash. So open the multi-space app. Now click clone application here. Select the CapCut application. Clone it. So you can use any other clone apps which is stable for you. For me, this is the stable one. Remember, I'm just using this CapCut inside the multi-space application. So the VPN connected is outside our mobile and here I'm using the CapCut inside the multi-space app. Here you can see the stickers are working perfectly and I try to use another feature. Let me check the library part. Here you can see it's working and it's not working even I try to refresh it and a few other also working. So if you face any major errors in this application, please try to clear the app from the recents and long press the multi-space app and app info, click force stop. So there are some workarounds you have to try yourself to use this logic or something. So I'm trying to use some of the CapCut paid features and server side features, auto captions like that. So everything works perfectly. So many people saying CapCut templates are not working. So yes, they are so complications to run. Click Business Studio in the settings if you are using our version. So click templates. Here you can see it's really difficult to use because of the restrictions from the VPN or signature change of the application or even official Play Store have security bug and even these two only for some people. Here you can see the only stuff working in the templates feature is commercial images stuff only. If you are using outside version or third party app which you got redirected to this app or this video. So if you want seriously the templates stuff, then you can use Viva Cut or Viva Video. Those are the best alternatives to this CapCut so far. So the most important thing is you have to use the light versions in order to run this app in the multi-space without any lags because your phone can't handle these much heavy processing stuff. Hope you guys understand. Have a great day from 2next Tech.